how can we turn on dock magnification in macOS 15. So long time ago it was a default feature, now it's switched off by default. So what you need to do, you need to head down to your dock, and when you got this line here on the right side, try to right click on it. So secondary click, if you're using the mouse, it will be right click. If you're using the touchpad for your MacBook, press with 2 fingers same time until you see this little menu when you can turn on the magnification straight away. And now when I hover my mouse, the icons are increased in size in that spot. Alright, so my mouse is here on notes and this icon is really large now. Okay, so that was a default long time ago and some people really like this. So you can turn it on easily here from the dock. Again, secondary click here around this line or any other free area. Just don't click directly on the icon for a specific app. Okay, so click on the dock itself and then you got this here, or you can go deeper into dock settings. That will give us this pop-up for the system settings, and as you can see there's a section for the dock and desktop where you can simply turn on and off several different features and animations. The one we need today is this magnification. You can change it to small or switch it off completely. Alright, so that's how you do it in the new macOS. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.